I don't know about you guys, but I like a really nice roasted potato. A wonderful texture on the outside, well seasoned, and soft and billowy on the inside. The perfect baked potato. And as you can see, I've cut these in half, which is part of the trick. Okay, now for the seasoning, and we're going to begin with the secret ingredient, which is about half a cup of Hellmann's mayo. You can use Miracle Whip or just regular mayo. I just kind of like the taste of the Hellmann's. And of course a generous seasoning of ground black pepper that I love so much, about a teaspoon. Salt. I like my potatoes well salted. About half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic powder, depending on how garlicky you want it. And of course I'll put all this in the blog. A good dusting of smoked paprika. And use the smoked stuff if you have it, but the regular will do. Some onion powder, and that's about half a teaspoon. Just kind of eyeball a lot of this according to your taste. And last but not least, some Italian seasoning. And we'll just give this a toss together until the potatoes are completely coated. And you know, it's funny you mentioned Italian seasoning, or I mentioned Italian seasoning. I use it a lot on everything now, and it's well worth having in your pantry. Just love it so much. Italiano seasoning. Okay, these are coming together beautifully. Just look at this. Next up, grab up my sheet pan. Just a quick spray so nothing sticks. Potatoes onto the pan. Oh, these smell so good. And just kind of spread them out. Get them spread out here a little bit. And I usually try and make sure they're skin side down. They just seem to bake a little crispier for me that way. Now these are going into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes. After about 30 minutes out of the oven, and they are beautifully done. And look at this, guys. They just look beautiful. I mean, they're just about caramelized. They're not a really hard texture, but they are a nice texture. I bet you they taste fantastic. Okay, let's grab up a couple of spoons here and plate these guys up. Oh my goodness. And to finish things off, I'm just going to grab up some fresh parsley. And we'll just go ahead and garnish this up. Oh, wow. And there you have it, guys, our easy breezy oven roasted potatoes. Incredibly delicious. Okay, let's grab one of these guys up and give him a taste test. Oh, just look at this. These are so good, guys. They're billowy, they're cloudy, if billowy as possible with the potato. Love the seasoning. And I can see these going with any kind of protein, like steak, roasted chicken, even ribs would be fantastic. You got to make these. I'm going to have more of them. And of course, you can always get this recipe over at cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Become a member, subscribe, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.